I want to talk about what it's like using INAIR as a productivity device. Over here, I have the INAIR Elite Suit. They also have another version called the INAIR Go Pack, which also two variations of productivity devices that you can get. With this version, you have a full keyboard that is not foldable. You have the INAIR Pod, which is the fan version, and then you have the INAIR glasses. The glasses is actually tucked away. It does not touch the keyboard when you fold it down. I know that's something that someone else said in the video. And then for this keyboard itself, it is Bluetooth and it is magnetic onto the case. Now over here is where your cable is stored, which is pretty smart. So you just remove it and you can separate it, or you can leave it the way it is. For this video, I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. The keyboard itself feels very good. It's very premium. I mean, it just feels very premium. I really like the material, the feel for it. You have your USB-C over here to charge, and you have your power on and off switch. And for the device that you get, this is the INAIR Pod, which has three fan vents. You can see 1, 2, 3 over here. Now my only concern with this is that when you put it here, right, how's this thing gonna vent out? It doesn't make much sense. So my guess is you would probably want to put it here, or unless the vents can actually pass through, which that doesn't really make much sense. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using this version which doesn't have the vents. This is the one you get if you buy a standalone unit. As you guys can see, there is no vents in the back. So we're going to put this and put this to the side. The first thing to do is set up the INAIR PC software. Pretty easy, just straightforward. And then you connect your glasses to the port and you start working. Now you can still do the same form of productivity without this actual suit. You just need the pod itself and some form of glasses, but your experience is going to be a little bit limited as far as multi-windows, and you can use any version of keyboard that you want. So you don't have to use this if you don't like. You could use something like this if you prefer. But for the sake of this video, once again, I'm going to be using the one that came with the INAIR Elite Suit, which is the one that I bought off Amazon. There are different ways you can perform productivity. You can simply use the keyboard and the pod and the glasses itself to do productivity. All you have to do is download whatever companion app you need. For example, Word document, PDF Explorer, or PDF file viewer, and then Gmail or something like that, and you can do most of your typical productivity that you want to do. The good thing about this is you can have up to 6 windows open separately at the same time. That way you can have access to everything you need access to. Now let's say you have a particular software that you can't run on a device like this and you have to absolutely use your PC. In my case, I have a Windows. So what I did was I opened the companion app and I loaded it into this device. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start screen recording. That way you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. I have the INAIR PC software app open. This right here is how you adjust the screen. So I'm going to zoom out. That way you guys can see the screen better. So as you guys can see, I have this mode turned on right now. This is the quad screen, which allows me to see up, down, left, and right. And I can adjust. I can also use this triple screen right here. And one thing that is nice about this triple screen is that I can lock the vertical orientation, which means that I can only look left and right. It is nice because it actually reduces the wobbliness and it just makes things a bit smoother. But if you want a quad screen, then you would have to, well, you can't even use this. Privacy screen allows you to turn off your PC's screen. That way you can save power. And overall, this is nice, man. This is actually better than Spacewalker as far as stability and power consumption. And then you have ultra wide. The ultra wide, it's all right. I don't like it, but it's all right. And then you have your dual screen. So yeah, as you guys can see, I'm moving my head, and yeah, I like it, man. And to start screen recording, the easiest method is simply by pressing the power button and the up button at the same time. And now the screen has started recording. So Now you guys gonna be seeing what I'm seeing on my screen. Over here, I have my YouTube page. As you guys can see, this was a video I did a while back. Over here, I have Netflix on the right side, and to the top of me, I actually have my PC. And guess what? Because I have this keyboard connected to the pod, I can actually browse my actual computer's screen. So it's not like the typical setup where you don't have the ability to browse your to use the keyboard to interact with your PC. With here, you guys can see I'm on INAIR's website, and I can actually browse their website. I can even go into, for example, Word documents, and I can type in some real estate, do some real estate work while having Netflix on one side and YouTube on the other side. And now I can open some more apps if I want to. For example, let's say open Play Store. Actually, let me open this File Explorer. Now I can open one more File Explorer, and I can open Gmail if I want to at the same time while having the Windows PC streaming to this right here. Here I have my PC. You guys can see I have my documents. I can, just interact with the keyboard whatever way I want to. I can just test. As you guys can see, it's working. I am typing remote. Now, what happens if I don't, let's say I don't want this window, right? I want a different type of window. Well, all I got to do is come here. This right here can allow me to change my aspect ratio. For example, this privacy screen will mean that it will turn off my PC screen, which will give me a bit of privacy. Here I have single screen, which is what I'm choosing to use, or you can do ultra wide screen. And for the scale, you can do small, medium, or even large. And this is what ultra wide looks like if you want to use ultra wide. I personally don't prefer ultra wide, but it is an option. It basically just stretches across the top of your screen. So you just gotta wait a little bit for it to load. Okay, so here I have ultra wide on the top of the screen. So as you guys can see, with ultra wide, I can have multiple things on the top. So for example, let's say I want to do over here I have Microsoft Word, and over here I have the web page. Now I just chose a web page because I don't know what else to use, but I guess I could have used a File Explorer as well. Whichever one works, whichever one you want, you can add to the ultra wide display. And then at the bottom here I have my actual windows on my pod. So as you guys can see, this thing is very flexible, very fluid. I mean, there's absolutely no issues at all. And if there's ever a situation where I need to zoom in or zoom out, I can just either use these keyboards combinations right here. You guys can see zooming in, and I can use this to zoom back out, which is really nice. So zoom in and out. As you guys can see, I can zoom in all the way to this one page right here and zoom back out. And then you have this immersive background, which is just really nice. You only get this immersive background when you are using the in-air glasses themselves. Now, if there's ever a situation where your things actually drift, you can just use this key right here. Once you press it, it's gonna come right back into the middle. So, I mean, this is just absolutely nice and mind-blowing. The only limitation with this is the field of view. If the field of view was wider, man, this experience will be so much better. But for now, people have been asking me what is the best spatial computing to use for productivity. This is it, hands down the best. I just don't, there is nothing else that competes with what they do right now. This thing is so fluid, very smooth, and I am just thoroughly impressed.